Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to have a beautiful curly hairstyle with flat twist. So I started with my hair combed out, and first I'm going to separate my hair and tie the parts that I'm not going to do for now. Then I'm gonna part by little sections to do some flat twists. Then I'm just gonna hydrate my hair with this water bottle and just start my flat twists. Then once my twists are done, I'm just gonna do the rest of my hair, and basically I'm gonna use the wash and go technique. So I'm gonna take a couple of parts of hair, basically not my whole hair at the one time. I'm just gonna part them and do it part by part. I'm gonna wet them a little bit with my mist water bottle, and then I'm gonna add some lotion for my curls and some Eco Styler gel. And then I'm gonna do my baby hairs, and also all the products that I use in this video will be listed in the description box. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next video.